Every drop of blood in a woman's body carries over 4.7 million red blood cells. Traveling through more than 100,000 kilometers of vessels, the first journey of life itself. Beneath the skin lies the endometrial lining, a self-renewing tissue that regenerates over 400 times in a woman's lifetime. Inside the ovaries, over 1,000 oocytes begin development each month, yet only one will mature for ovulation. This entire process is orchestrated by the brain-pituitary ovarian axis, a biological processor of extraordinary precision. Under magnification, the oocyte glows like a tiny sun, powered by ATP, the universal energy of life. The egg's membrane, just 0.005 millimeters thick, can detect more than 60 biochemical signals at once. The ovarian blood supply never rests over 1.2 liters of blood flow through the pelvis every minute. When FSH and LH surge, hormonal particles travel like data streams transmitting signals at 3 meters per second. In response, the oocyte matures as surrounding follicular cells form a living energy capsule. During ovulation, ovarian pressure reaches 20 millimeters of mercury, propelling the egg into the fallopian tube. Inside the tube, millions of cilia beat in harmony, moving the egg about 3 to 4 centimeters per day. Within the uterus, every structure prepares for life, maintaining a constant internal temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. The endometrial wall thickens by nearly 1 millimeter every 24 hours, creating a biological cushion for potential life. Estrogen, the hormone of vitality and fertility, peaks at 200 picograms per milliliter before ovulation. In a healthy body, hormonal waves follow a perfect 28-day rhythm, yet a shift of just 3 days can cause imbalance. Prolonged stress elevates cortisol levels by 2.5 times, disrupting the entire endocrine axis. Chronic sleep deprivation reduces melatonin by 40%, silencing the body's nighttime signal. With less melatonin, the brain loses its sleep cue, impairing ovulation and hormonal timing. Diets high in sugar spike insulin, triggering resistance that interferes with estrogen balance. When hormones destabilize, uterus contracts microscopically measurable at 10 to 15 microvolts of electrical activity. Polycystic ovary syndrome affects 1 in 10 women of reproductive age, according to WHO 2023. Inflammatory disorders account for nearly 70% of menstrual irregularities, especially in younger women. Endometriosis, where uterine cells grow outside the womb, affects over 176 million women worldwide. Global data show that 1 in 3 women will experience some form of hormonal disorder in her lifetime. Research in Nature Endocrinology identifies the ESR1 gene as a key regulator of estrogen function. Under chronic stress, the brain sends a shutdown signal to the ovaries, reducing ovulation capacity by 50%. Yet with rest, the body can restore hormonal balance within the first 72 hours. 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep can boost hormone regeneration by 70%, nature's reset mechanism. An anti-inflammatory diet rich in omega-3 south and leafy greens lowers hormonal imbalance risk by 25%. 30 minutes of light exercise daily doubles pelvic blood flow, supporting ovarian vitality. Just 10 minutes of meditation can reduce cortisol by 30%, improving hormonal equilibrium. Routine gynecological exams every 6 months detect 95% of early abnormalities before progression. When balance returns, the uterus regains full biological elasticity, nearly 100% functional recovery. Hormonal waves move like music. Each electrical pulse lasts only 0.03 seconds. Each cell generates over 10 million ATP molecules per second, fueling the body's constant renewal. The reproductive system functions like an automated network, synchronized down to the millisecond. When hormones align, the body radiates from within, every cell operating at peak efficiency. The female body is a microcosmos of 37 trillion cells, glowing together in rhythmic harmony. This is the silent symphony of life, where creation begins from within. Uterine cells regenerate their structure within 72 hours, a testament to extraordinary resilience. Balanced blood flow delivers over 5 liters of nutrients per minute, nourishing uterine tissue. When estrogen stabilizes, mood, sleep, and skin all improve, the biological clock resets. Healthy ovaries sustain steady cycles, each egg activating over 20,000 genes. The pituitary gland operates as a central command hub, sending hormonal signals with millisecond accuracy. The 28-day cycle repeats with mathematical precision, a natural algorithm unique to women. Heartbeat and hormonal flow synchronize at 1.1 Hz, composing the rhythm of life. The immune system acts as a guardian, eliminating more than 5,000 abnormal cells daily in the reproductive tract. When neural and hormonal systems align, the brain emits alpha waves, the signal of inner peace. The parasympathetic system activates, lowering heart rate to 60 beats per minute, initiating deep recovery. At this moment, the body achieves homeostasis, the foundation of lasting health. The 28-day biological cycle repeats flawlessly, hour by hour, hormone by hormone. When life synchronizes with nature, hormones adjust just as sunlight follows the moon. Deep breathing increases oxygen flow to the brain by 15%, instantly reducing physiological stress. Bioenergy waves flow outward. Each heartbeat drives millions of calcium ions through the body. The female DNA glows like a galaxy, every gene a musical note in the song of life. A single healthy egg carries all the genetic material for 46 perfect chromosomes. Under chronic stress, egg quality can drop by 40%. According to Fertility and Sterility 2022, the fusion of two energies, yin and yang, marks the very beginning of existence. The light emitted at fertilization equals 10 million photons, a true spark of life. As we pull back from the body, we witness the harmony between biology and emotion. The body now glows from within, a sign of hormonal stability and perfect metabolism. The calm face and bright eyes reflect the tangible beauty of internal balance. Each cell shines like a star. Together, they form a galaxy called the female body. From afar, Earth itself beats in rhythm with the human heart, the planet of life. The hormonal cycles of every human create a shared rhythm, the heartbeat of our species. Inside you lies an entire universe. Learn to protect it. Every light needs darkness to shine. Every body needs rest to regenerate. Even as it ends, biological energy echoes on the universe's heartbeat, never stops. Health is not merely the absence of illness, but the harmony between body and mind. The final heartbeat, not an ending, but the start of a new cycle of life.